Alright, so look, before this video starts, bruh, the quality at the beginning is gonna be trash because I hit something on my camera and it changed all the settings. So it like hold with me because the video is gonna be like the quality, bruh, is not it. But later on, when I review, the stuff that I got, forgive me for that. I kind of know how to use my camera now. Like I really just pick up this thing and record. So, yeah. But yes, sir. Duh, it's your boy back with another video. All right, now we're gonna get to it. See, straight. Yes, sir. Duh, it is your boy Coleman back with another video. Overall, it's a pretty good shoot.
A lot of blue rays, sheet on my pet.
Oh, dope.
I got it.
Just caught the ball, Georgia.
Don't mean that it's made. I clean up real nice. I don't got.
Yes, sir. Duh, it is your boy Cole. I'm back with another video, bro. Today we're at the Atlanta Kickhouse sneaker event. I still got these do-rag lines on my head, bro, so excuse them. But yeah, like I said, bro, we are here. We already have our vending table set up. I got some people, that hopefully y'all come through. I told y'all to come through, so make sure y'all come through. Say what's up. He said he's about to get us one because he said he got more vendors than he thought. This is what the event looked like so far. Early as hell though. But we about to set up the table. Oh wait, I gotta introduce everybody to the vlog. All right, so here go my little brother. Back on the grind. Over there, Jason. That way, Chandler, Bino. Yes, sir. Praise the Lord.
Your girl.
Yes, sir. Then that man, Josh Hype.
So what's up, everybody? I just want to say shout out to Cole for pulling up him
Yes, sir.
Pulling up him and his boys. They brought some shoes, sold some shoes.
Yeah.
I believe they had a pretty good day.
Yeah.
This is the first Atlanta Kickhouse, and I'm just proud and thankful for everybody that came. It was a success.
Facts. Yeah, it was a success. It came out better than I thought because I was like, this is your first one too. Instagram.
My name is Yusuf Lewis. My personal IG is Yui, YUIE.V.
Right.
The Atlanta Kickhouse page is at Atlanta Kickhouse on IG. You also follow my personal business page, which is Soul Snatchers 313.
Bet. Got that. All plugged in. But yeah, Thanks for having me, bro.
No problem.
Number love. Gotta know when you got an idea about the next one. When's the next one about to happen? I'll pull up.
Next event, I'm thinking of doing something in April, but this time I'm thinking of doing something smaller.
Okay.
Especially with my brand Soul Snatchers. It'll be more around that. Thinking something like a pop-up shop, but with later in the day more like a party, networking, gathering in the evening,
I like
in the same venue.
I like
have the shoes out, everything look good.
Right.
So just stay tuned.
And he only 19, y'all. He only 19. He held his own like sneaker convention, bro. That's dope. That's fire. That inspired me. Like I want to do my own now. Like that's fire. That's dope. Cause I'm a year older than you. I'm only 20.
I'm glad I could inspire.
That's fine. So, hey, let's again grab you, bro. A lot of love coming through. But yeah, that's it, y'all. So we about to head out. All right, bet. Straight. Yes, sir. We finally made it back to the, I can't tell you where I'm at. I can't tell you where I'm at because it's gonna be like a whole video explaining where I'm at, what I've been doing the past couple of days, because I know I haven't been uploading. But look, I'm just gonna say it's a tour of something on the way. But look, so basically, this is all the stuff, we bought at the sneaker event, or basically this whole weekend, because I also had bought like one other thing that wasn't at the sneaker event. But we're about to, you know, just go through what me and my brother copped. And also sorry that the quality of the whole B-roll wasn't the best, and I couldn't really get footage in there because the music was super loud, so like I'm not getting copyrighted. And then also like, yeah, my camera, I pressed something on my camera, like I literally just fixed it. Like you guys, my brother, we were sitting here for like 10 minutes. I just fixed it. So the quality was like terrible on my camera because of that. But I just reset my settings, so I'm looking like a snap. I might cuff myself. So basically, we're about to go through, you know, what we copped this weekend. I ain't gonna go over too many prices, but everything right here was a steal. I'm gonna tell you that. The event was fine because I copped. The stuff I got, it was a good, if you went there to actually go get some stuff, it was an event for you. Like it wasn't, you know, too blown up or whatever. It was more like a low key event because it was also bruh's first time hosting it. But it was funny. Like I got what I wanted. I'm straight. I know my brother's happy. My friends that been at the table with me, they sold a lot. Like one of my friends sold everything in like an hour. Like when we first got there, like we didn't even finish unpacking. But you want to go first? Or what I don't know. We should start with the clothes or the shoes?
Let's start with the clothes.
All right, so we're gonna start with. All right, we're gonna start with the clothes. You can go first. So he's gonna show you what he picked up clothes-wise.
All right, so look.
My armpits hit you. Yeah.
First, I got. You go next, like after like one.
Yeah, so you do one, I do one.
So bet I got this like polo jacket or I don't know what
to call it. I just know it's a jacket.
Yeah, it's zip all the way down.
Oh, you can tell them the price. Tell them
price $10.
$10 for a whole jacket. It's a whole like this vendor had like a bin with just stuff for $10. He even had baby pants, but it was like baby pants. But $10.
I got that.
That thing is clean.
This to the side.
Okay, so now mine. You dig? We got this right here, this Christian Dior windbreaker, bruh. I got this in a trade. I'm gonna just, I'll wait till I get to the shoes, which y'all see. But I got this in a trade, bruh. Christian Dior windbreaker. It's like a vintage windbreaker. I got some Dior branding on the sleeve. You can see pictures on the pictures. I'm about to get cuffed. If y'all see me with a girl soon, it's because I'm looking fresh. All right, you're next.
All right, so look, I got this Calvin Klein bomber. I mess with it.
Yeah, that's
I mess with it heavy.
Didn't they say it's supposed to be 3M?
He said it's supposed to be 3M, but he might have capped.
We can test right quick. We can see. If he capped, that would have been tough.
Yeah, but
you did buy it.
The thing is, it wasn't even like a bad price though. It was only
how much was it?
25.
25. Yeah, that's not bad. 25. That's not bad at all.
Hold it up. See.
He capped. He capped. Unless it's like the flashes because it's already on it. Oh, hold on. We can try right quick. I'm about to turn this off. Right, we're gonna try. Oh, man, what's the whole light with you? Oh, wait, hold up.
It's a cap.
Yeah, he capped. Unless it gotta be completely dark. Yeah, he capped.
Yeah, he capped.
He sure did.
He
capped.
$25. Y'all see it? He got the Calvin right here on the side.
They got like the whole like Calvin Klein branding around the whole jacket. It's fine.
The whole thing's around here.
It's fine.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, so now we gonna get to the banger of this whole video probably. This Supreme box logo sticker. And now we're done with the clothes. All right, I'm capping, but we did get the box logo sticker. But we got this Supreme, what is it, Heather Ash Gray box logo hoodie, bruh. I've been looking for a box logo, bruh. For so long, bro. I've been looking for a box logo for so long, and I finally have one. And it's like one of the OG ones, you know, that people don't usually, like, you don't catch people wearing these because these is like when you think of a Supreme box logo, you think of either this color or like a white on red because that's how like the color of this is. But finally, I got the Supreme Heather or Ash Gray box logo, bruh. I can't tell you the price. I can't tell you the price because I'm disappointed in myself for allowing me to buy it. So that's another reason why I ain't telling you the price. But you can't know the price for that. But everything else, I'll tell you the price for. So you want me to go first? All right, we can go. So basically, I showed you guys the Christian Dior windbreaker, right? Now, in a trade, I'll tell you what I did for this. In a trade, so I don't know if you guys remember that video. It's like a couple videos ago, I bought like these. Hold on, I'm trying to make sure I look like a snap. Yes, sir. All right. So a couple videos ago, I bought some Jordan 4 Motorsports with the box and some Jordan 1 Metallics. Not, you know, anywhere near hype shoes. And I bought them for $70 total. I traded both of those shoes that I got for $70 total for some great 5s that the guy that I got these from priced these 5s alone at $100 with no box. So off rip, if I was to trade both of those shoes for this, I would have already been winning. But he threw in, we did a 2 for 2, a matching Christian Dior vintage windbreaker to match the great 5. So W in the comment section, because your boy don't go out bad. We got these great 5s, yellows, you know, it's kind of yellow at the bottom, but.
So for my shoe that I scooped up, y'all see, amen, look, I forgot what these were called, but I messed with
Midnight Nate. I can't remember. If y'all remember, comment section below.
Yeah, I messed with these, but I got these for $40. We actually got, what we got? These and these for what, $70?
No, $65. We got these shoes, the ones I'm about to show you next, and his Jordans for $70 or $65.
These are 11
with boxes,
but they fit like a 12. They fit pretty big. Yeah, but I mess with these. I might sell them.
All right, so now the last thing of this haul, bruh. Ton of dope stuff that we have, bruh. I got these Brain Dead Vans collab. Now look at the box. It's obviously not like a regular Vans box, but it's like a super thick, like premium Vans box. I never seen these until I actually was at the sneaker event, and I want to start building a Vans collection, which was another reason why I caught. And like I said, me and my brother, we bought both of these shoes for $65. So he spent $40 on his Jordans, and I spent $35 on these Vans. So who's really going out bad? So here's the Vans. They also, let me show you. They came with all the laces that it came with.
That's 75. He said 40 and you said 35.
Apparently, we might have been robbed. I mean, it wasn't like it was a terrible robbery, but like, yeah. We really can't remember how much we paid, but like, I think I got Brian Instagram. So if you're watching this,
I think you paid 25.
But like I said, I got these green laces that match the shoes. I got these black laces these came in the shoe. And then these white laces, they were in the bag. And I got all the bag for the laces. And I think the white ones look best. And also they have, I don't know if I can, where is it at? Right here, if you guys can see, it has a guy putting his nose in somebody's butt, bro. Like, that's fine on the shoe. Like, it has a whole bunch of different, you know, arts and cartoons around the shoe. Even on the midsole. And I love this shoe because I'm trying to build a Vans collection. I've never seen these. Like, I saw it on GOAT, like when I went to go buy these to see like what the market was looking like for these. They had no used ones on GOAT. They didn't even have a full size run on GOAT for brand new. So I'm happy with these. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment in the section below what you guys think of everything, you know, that we bought. If you thought it was some steals, if you thought we got robbed,
help us out.
I'll be sick, bro. That's all I can think about.
Help him out.
Yeah, because he paid 40 regardless. But I'm trying, because if I paid 35 instead of 25, and I know that might not seem much for y'all, but a $10 difference can do a lot. So,
bro, that's 9 McChickens, bro.
Yeah, and a cookie, maybe. Yeah. All right, let me end it. All right, so yeah, like I said, bro, do all that. I'm out. I can't even struggle, bro. All right, well, I'm sick.